I got 2 mics. I helped Fabian with the recording. I said big one or tiny one, and he said little one or big one. He said big, little one. But for now, we're done recording. When Topic's done, I'm gonna give him a little one. It won't work on me.
It is working.
It won't work.
Look. Yay! Hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptile. Avi is back with us today. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. So I got my deep freezer here, and so I'm finally moving my rats from our food freezer into the deep freezer. And so I'm going to take them out of the garbage bag that they are in and move them back into the container because the container could not fit in my freezer. Alright, got the mice, pinky mice. I don't remember who I ordered through. I've ordered through Lane Labs or something like that. I've also ordered through Rodent Pro. I think those are the only 2 places that I've ever actually ordered from.
Take him.
He's not gonna wake up. They're dead. They're dead and frozen. You cannot come back when you have gotten to that point. I promise. Alright, so these are going from this plastic bag into this. I just gotta figure out the best way of organizing it. I should get something bigger, but for now it's what I got. I feel like I should have, well, maybe. Nope, this is what I got. Alright. I will get something bigger though.
Yeah, but if you have this tub, you might be able to fit a different one. You might have to put,
Okay. Yeah. I feel your logic. I feel it.
If you want. I'm
If I
not
want.
just saying you can, I'm just saying if.
If I want. Well, thank you for not demanding.
Still broken wrapped in this one at the bottom.
Yeah, there's gonna be, well, those are like, yeah, it's like the little pinky, the tails have kind of come off of those, so they've kind of gathered at the bottom, but definitely not a whole bunch of broken ones, which is nice.
Look at this dad one. It's like his mouth is open. Creepy.
All
I want
right.
to see the one that opened. I want to see this one.
Alright. Got our rats all gathered up. Or the mice, because I'm only feeding the little guys, and most of them are on mice, with the exception of Rafiki, who's on a, I can't remember what size rat that is, but that thing. So, I'm going to go put him in the sink and run some water on him and thaw. Gonna wash our digits after this.
Okay, let me take a picture.
Oh, you're going to take a picture?
Am I in the right spot?
I don't know. It's your camera. Can you see? Make believe phone.
Why's that tiny one sinking? They are drowning.
They're not drowning. They are already dead.
Oh.
We're gonna let them thaw. Alright. Now that I got those all packaged up, I'm gonna take them down and put them in the freezer. Oh.
I know.
Hey. Avi, how do snakes eat?
With their teeth.
With their teeth.
They finger out that they bite them.
They take their teeth out and then they bite them?
Mm-hmm.
And that's how they eat?
Yeah.
How do they eat without hands?
They gravity it, then they bite it.
They gravity it and then they bite it. That's it?
Yeah.
Alright. So snakes eat with their teeth and they gravity it and then they bite it. And then they just swallow it? That's just it? Alright, Avi tells it. That is how snakes eat.
How do rats
That's how snakes eat.
eat? Wow.
I got our rats all thawed.
He's rowdy, I think.
He's rowdy? He hasn't even moved. How is he rowdy?
Because he goes everywhere.
Oh.
That's
Is that
why.
what you experienced last time? Do you want it?
Yep, ma'am.
Sir.
Sure.
Yeah, you can grab that one. Alright, let's see if we can wake him up. Oh, he's already ready. Go ahead. Try that one. There you go, let it go.
He's scared.
He scared you?
Now, tiny
He was
one.
actually hungry. Sometimes he does not eat in front of me, and I wasn't sure if that would actually happen. So that's cool.
Big one?
Yeah, another big one. Let's see if we can get him away. Oh,
Maybe.
okay.
Maybe.
Well, here, I want to keep trying. I want to see if I can get him. Let's see.
Yeah,
Are you hungry?
I'm so gonna
Do
hold
you want to do it? You want to hold my wrist?
Yeah, because I'm so scared. That's why I gotta go really back.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You are. You just are a little shy right now, yeah? Yeah, that's right at your face. You don't even have to work for it. Yeah, there you go.
Now a tiny one.
That was a funky bite. I actually think you may have yourself. Oh, well, you did have yourself, but you let go. So, that was a funky bite on your part.
Tiny one.
That's alright.
Tiny one.
I'm just gonna tap that there.
No.
No. Raphael, why do you keep insisting that I have a snake named Raphael? I don't. This is Skellington. Watch yourself. Watch yourself because he's coming out real interested. So here, grab one of these.
Big one or
The little tiny one.
That bleeding?
It doesn't matter which one. Just grab one and go ahead. He's ready. There you go.
He's really...
He was ready. He was out and ready to go.
Now, a big one or a tiny one?
We're going to do another tiny one.
No, I like one that bleeds.
You like the one that bleeds. Morbid. Very morbid. So, wait. Right here. She's right there.
Does he like bleeding snakes? I mean rats, however you say it.
Hold it up. Hold it up so that... There we go. There we go. She's got the tongs. There we go. She's got it.
Now, Raphael.
What? There is no Raphael. I don't understand. Why you keep insisting this name?
Give me Raphael, Skellington.
No. Let's start.
What's that?
Yeah.
Some food. A tiny one or a big one?
A tiny one, because he's a tiny snake.
So, let's see if
he sometimes does not eat from the tongs. Most of the time, actually, I'm not going to lie. He usually just prefers them to be left.
What's up? Pat him. See, that will work. You guys see this?
Yeah. So we're just going to leave it. Leave it. Awesome. Cool. Nice try. Nice try. He never really does it. He never really... Whoa. He is already out and about. Jeez, I was not ready for him. He's flying out. Yeah, this is the one that usually... Here, no, we're not going to drop it in there. We're going to try to get him closer to his face first. See if we can get him.
It's bleeding.
Yeah.
I'm scared that you're gonna make him cry that when it's bleeding.
What you have is interesting because unlike you and me, snakes have a jaw that is split in two, so our jaw is solid, and then their jaw is split in two so it can move by itself. So either side of their jaw kind of moves and moves forward when it's pulling the rat in because its teeth are hooked like this. They're hooked, and then they're hooked backwards, and so that helps them to grab into their food and pull it backwards with each side of their jaw. Yeah, and that's how they pull their food into their mouth because they don't have hands. So those teeth...
I think he's gonna bite me.
He's not gonna bite you. He's eating the rat.
I think when he's done, I think
you just need to be, calm and relaxed and not freaked out because they feel your energy. And as long as you're calm, he is calm. And right now, he's not worried about you. He's just eating his rat and enjoying his meal. You see how both sides of his face are never moving at the same? Like one side will move, and then the other side will move, and then the other side. Yeah.
Daddy.
So their bottom jaw and the top jaw both move by themselves. They kind of move forward and they hook back. They move forward and they hook back, one side at a time, until they move the rat all the way into its mouth. Yep, just like that.
Is it boring because it like...
It's boring. Well, it does take a long time to eat. You know, sometimes it takes them a while because they don't have hands, so that's the process they have to use to eat. Unlike us, we got forks and we've got our fingers and everything else, and things can be eaten faster.
I was snake, let me go eat. If I was like, let me go eat. It's a thing for me. How do you let me do this?
Alright, just about done. And since we could not get Cogsworth to eat, we're going to go ahead and try to give one of his mice to Skellington since he's finished his.
He's really quick.
Yes, he is.
I'm going to get really scared.
There he is.
Well, that one was because it went...
Your fingers got stuck. That's okay.
Okay, hey guys. This is Tavian and me. So, we viewing the 1, 2, 3, 6 snakes, and we got most of them.
You have to make sure if you're going to show something and you're talking about it, you got to keep the camera on them.
We got most of them done, so we got 6 snakes for real. We got that for the rats.
All done? All done? Alright, well that was great, Avi. Thank you. Thank you for letting everybody know what was happening. We fed some rats. I think we fed about 6 snakes, and, well, 7 snakes, and one of them did not eat. And, yeah, we got two more mice to feed because I'm giving, I'm going to try to give, what was that? Oh no, I thought somebody was gotten out for a second. I'm going to try to give Iro a second mouse, and I'm going to try to give Zuko a second mouse.
This bag is really
so, yes, it is. So, we're going to try to do that. Because I only have mice of that size right now, and I think they could do with just one singular larger, like rodents, like rats or something. But for now, I just have this size mice, so I'm just going to give them 2 mice each. And yeah, sweet.
We got 2 mics each, so we got the clipper.
Okay, are you ready to feed the other?
And we got that.
All right, so we're gonna feed Iro his second mouse.
Big one?
Yep.
Okay, hello, big one. I'm so scared. No, I'm not.
You're alright. You're doing great. Is he interested? Does he want one? Does he want a second one?
Maybe
he may not want a second one.
Drop it in.
Yeah, we'll leave it. We'll leave it for him. Let me try it, and then if he does not take it, then I will leave it and try it. And if he does not take it, then that just means he doesn't want a second one. Yes. Are you any kind of interested?
Then the last rat will be Convo.
Cornrow? I'm pretty positive I don't have any snake called Cornrow.
I said Convo.
Kovu?
I said Convo.
Convo. Oh, Zuko.
Oh, Zuko.
Okay, no, he's not going to. Alright, we're going to see if Zuko would like a second one. These may just be one mice kind of, you know, it's also a lot to double up feedings, which is why I really don't often do it, but, oh, looks like he may be interested. Yeah?
Wait.
Give it a shake. Yeah? Huh? Oh, you want it, Zuko? Do you want it? Do you want it? He looks interested. He looks so interested.
So why is he moving? You're making him scared.
Sometimes he will take it after I leave it.
Yeah.
So let's leave it.
Or let me tell you something.
Cause he looks interested, but he also looks weary. So we're gonna leave it. Here, can we
Let
get?
me tell you something.
Here, let me get the thing so I can undo it because it's clipped tight. All right. So we're gonna leave that.
And we got 2 more rats for the snakes. So one for a little one and one for a big one.
Well,
So
that's it because they didn't.
That's it.
No, those
And
two
like
didn't eat.
those 2 didn't eat because I think they didn't want to, because we dropped 2 in the hill for that snake, and that's it for now. But if you want to have like
It's done. Alright, so. Whew. Alright, me and Avi, we fed our snakes today. We hung out with some snakes. We talked about how snakes fed and how they actually ate. And I will do a more in-depth video.
They take their teeth out, then they eat.
They take their teeth out and then they eat. He's added more. He's added more. Alright, so there you go. Have it. That's how snakes eat.
But there's 2 more.
Yep, there's 2 more because the 2 they didn't eat. And there actually might even be 3 more, but if he did not eat. No, he did not eat. Remember, that's the one I was trying to feed by hand. He did not eat. So, alright everybody, this is TWR. I'm checking out. Avi's been assisting me today. He's checking out. It's been good. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. So this day
This has been TWR.
TWR, we will check out.
We're checking out.
We're checking out.